Follow these steps to install and use your swash. First, remove your existing toilet seat and thoroughly clean your toilet. Turn off the water supply at the shutoff valve on the wall to stop the flow of water to the toilet. Flush your toilet, holding down the handle until the water is fully drained. Unscrew the flexible water supply line from your fill valve beneath the toilet tank. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Connect the provided T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Insert rubber washer into the T-valve. Reconnect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. To mount your swash, place the mounting plate over the bolt holes on your toilet. Place adjustable brackets inside the mounting plate and align with the toilet seat bolt holes in your toilet. Slide the mounting bolts through the mounting plate and the holes in the toilet. Secure the bolts with the provided washers and nuts, but leave the bolts loose enough to allow the seat position to be adjusted later. Connect elbow side of the bidet hose to your swash's cold water inlet. Tighten by hand, no tools required. Connect other end of the bidet hose to the T-valve. Locate the hot water supply line in your bathroom under your sink. Make sure your hot water hosing will reach. If the hose does not reach, please contact Brondell. If it reaches, then turn the hot water supply valve all the way off and turn the faucet on hot to drain any residual water. Disconnect the hot water supply hose that runs to the faucet. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Install the smaller of the two provided T-valves with the rubber washer onto the hot water supply valve. Remove the pressure cap from the pressure connector on the hot water T-valve. Slide the pressure cap over one end of the provided hot water flex tubing. Push the flex tubing onto the pressure connector, making sure it slides past the lip. Secure by turning the pressure cap onto the pressure connector until firmly attached. Reconnect the hot water supply line to the top of the T-valve. Slide the pressure cap over the open end of the hot water flex tubing. Push the provided pressure connector into the open end of the hot water flex tubing until the tubing slides past the lip and cannot go further. Hold the pressure connector to the hot water inlet on your swash and screw the cap onto the hot water inlet until secure. Place your swash flat onto the toilet in front of the mounting plate. Slide your swash toward the tank onto the mounting plate until secure. To adjust the position of the seat, slide your seat backwards or forward for the best fit and tighten the nuts under the toilet. If your swash is not aligned with the toilet bowl, adjust the position accordingly using the top mounting bracket. Once your swash is properly mounted, turn the shutoff valve to the on position slowly as well as the hot water valve. Leave them on and check for leaks after 5 minutes. Congratulations! You are done installing your Swash EcoSeat 102.